I've been here since this one was going up and being constructed, so I've actually seen it in its bone phases. But now it is on the market, ready for you to call it home. Today is open house. Hey there, Mr. Banking Door.
Hello.
What you got?
Well, we have plenty of opportunities with our mortgage company to finance and help your buyers get closed on a loan so that they can purchase this house.
Yay! My favorite part is this kitchen and the colors. As you can see, it is a blank canvas ready. UV. Lots of room. So one of the things I really hate about new construction is all the wall colors are the same. As you can tell, the homeowners really thought about the color scheme and did all the colors. Love that tile. What's neat too is the insurance on a newer construction build is super affordable. I know a lot of you like to look at houses that are 200K price point. However, those are usually older homes. Their AC vents will need deep cleaning because ductwork, our AC units run non-stop here in Florida. Well, heat too, recently. We had snow. This is my next favorite part. You guys, you know it's extra to have a frameless glass shower door. And I need that in my house. I'm gonna have to get that installed. So what you want is one that is like this. So your overhead is actually very low because it has all the modern upgrades to keep. I love this fence too. I like the color. All the wisteria's out. Oh, it smells lovely back here. So my own house is like this. It is all brick. Homeowners has spent the extra to put down the termite protection. Some folks don't do that and the house gets eaten by termites. As you can see, it's lovely, quiet, blank canvas. Make it home.